Hello guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. So in the previous video we learned how to create database, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create tables. Okay, are you ready? So let's get started. Open File Explorer and go to Drive C, go to Program Files and find the folder of MySQL and MySQL Server bin, and open the terminal here on this folder. Okay, and in the previous video you will learn how to connect to MySQL server by using MySQL host .1 and user root and ps for password, and type the password. Okay, to connect. So I connected to MySQL server, and let's show databases. We in the previous video we learned this the database and this database. Okay, I will select the bank database and use bank. So you can select the database and enter. Database has been changed, and in this database I will create a table. Okay, let's see how many tables do we have in this database. Show tables. As you can see, we don't have any tables at the moment on this database. So let's create a table. I already created table in on Notepad, so I just copy and paste. First we use create and then create table, then the name of the table. Then after that we will define the column. Okay, customer ID, type integer, auto increment, and as is the primary key. First name is varchar and 50, last name, email, and phone. So let's copy the code and paste it on the terminal. Yes, and enter. As you can see, query okay, it means that table has been created successfully. Let's show tables. As you can see, the table on in bank database has been created. So easy, you can create tables. In the next tutorial I will show you how to insert data into this table. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and like the video. See you in the next video.